Come. Come, Girlie. So, coming up, that's the one you like. This is Kisses Girlie. This is her favorite. And my favorite is, I'll let you know right now.
Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels
Come,
like years
bacon.
since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Come on up.
Little darling, the smiles returning to the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say
All right,
it's alright.
these are our final 8 dipping sauces. And these are actually dips. These are sauces. So to make things easier, they will be 8 dipping sauces. And we know already she's a sweet girl and she likes the sweet stuff. So that's her favorite. This actually, Garlic Girl, shocks me how good it is. And but I'm gonna most likely, oh, they're all good. So these 4 are great, these 4 need work. And that's it. 4 homemade dips. And
Little darling, I feel that
4 sauces. Come on up.
slowly melt.
Say bye to everybody. And
Darling,
yeah, that's it.
like years
7 o'clock. We did it. We made it. We've got our 8 signature flavors. 4 dips. 4 sauces.
I say
And what we call them is, just like Girlie said, 8 dipping sauces. Her favorite, Kisses Girlie. Kisses Girlie? Kisses Girlie? She loves it. And I love you. Thanks for coming out.